everyone, this is Lexi from Roam Lab, and today we are installing a Warn Zeon Winch on our 2015 Ram 3500 truck's front bumper. The Warn Zeon Winch is a standard within the off-road vehicle recovery sphere and a major feature added to our adventure mobile. So let's get started. Before we can install our new winch, we need a sturdy mount for it. Our factory bumper does not come with a winch support, so we install an aftermarket Warn Ascent Front Bumper, which is designed to hold a winch. I already made videos for these steps to install the bumper, so you may want to give those a watch before you continue with this video. While installing the Warn Zeon winch is straightforward, mounting this winch is a two-person project. Be sure to have a buddy to help with heavy lifting. First, we install the bolt, washer, and nut for the fair lead. This may seem weird, we can't install the fair lead yet because it blocks access to the winch, but once the winch is mounted, we also can't fit the bolts in place. So we secure the bolts and move on to the next step. Now we've placed the winch in the bumper tray. The power cables tend to get in the way, so it helps to arrange where the cables go first and then feed the cables through as you set the winch in the bumper tray. Then, we secure the winch in place with 4 nuts and bolts. Next, we move on to wiring the winch. Route the cables to the vehicle battery. Be careful to avoid sharp edges, moving parts, and hot components. Bolt the red cable to the battery's power, and the black cable to the battery's ground. Make sure that each lead is firmly bolted. Now you should be able to operate the winch. Of course, we are still missing something: the rope. We'll be covering, installing, and spooling a synthetic rope in our next post. And there we go! I tried to keep this video simple, but you can find more written directions with pictures and extra annotations on our website, roamlab.com. If you found this helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to Roam Lab for future DIY truck camper renovation projects.